here in my home studio. Got that 1883 Steinway there that was rebuilt. That was a lot of work. I wrote this thing, and this friend of mine, Ron Chambers, I just read it to him, and he goes, why don't you make a video of that? Because people might enjoy it. Okay, so here we go. Boo-boo. My dog's drinking water. Didn't want you to hear that. To those who are called to the siren of music. To those who are called, music is kind. She is a demanding taskmaster and will have no loves above her other than perhaps love of God. She gives in equal measure or greater than we give our all to her. It's kind of personification, you see. She cares nothing for the distractions of fame, like it's a woman, you know what I mean? She will tolerate no abuses of her vessel. That's you. Keep yourself clean of drugs, alcohol, and tobacco, and reject excesses of all kinds. She does not suffer fools gladly. She favors the strong of spirit and will knock you down to build your strength. She is giving. She sits one step from godliness, for she sings in God's ear. She favors the humble, so be humble. She favors the giving, so give. She knows who loves her. She knows who does not. She takes us on a journey, the most challenging journey of all, the journey to understand our souls. In this journey, all that is false will be stripped away, and that, my friends, is a lot. The love of music has been for eons before you and will be for eons after you. That's comforting, isn't it? Your music lives forever in the eternity of the universe. Nothing is created or destroyed. It just changes form. Einstein had to get his little lick in here. Your notes are the footprints of your soul. Music is unchanging in its essence. Only the colors change. To those who are called, music is kind. She will open the doors to the wonderment of life and provide all to those who are worthy and keep the faith. She knows not ego, for she will tear that apart from you and teach you to be humble in her presence. She's trumped only by love, but she is the heartbeat of love. To those who are called, music is kind. And then there's this mantra. When the universe offers you a chance to help others, take it and give without thought of return. When the universe offers you help, accept it. For life is a circle.